Okay, we're going to continue somewhere. What were we doing last? I don't remember. We finished something. Let's see what I've done so far. Oh yeah, I need to have the support stuff function finally. Uh, 3, I suppose. So, I'm also going to make the player print the damage so I can see a number of how much is being done. Okay, here it is. So all the damage should be a solid number, so I should pretty easily be able to see, or it should be a factor of 10, I mean, so I should pretty easily be able to see. That's wrong. What is the 100 coming from? You can go away. It would have something to do with the widget. This one. Options, category name, button. Actually, it could be something with this. Oh, my mouse froze. There we go. Oh wait, no. Yes, is this because it's checking specifically if it's an attack? And then we have support over here, but support wouldn't do anything. This too. Has text in. I know there's a way to check if you have a string or something inside, or a string of letters inside a word. To string, string to color, a vector, print, not equal, join, to string, maybe isn't. What is this? Okay, interesting. So it doesn't look like it has that. Unless it's a Boolean value. Has This may work. Possibly. So if this is true, I want it to print. Oh wait, this and the button name need to, yeah, that would print string. This will give me an idea if this is what it might be or not. Oh, I think that's health. So it's either not going through or is true. Let's plug that in right there. Okay, so that should have been returning true. Well, no, it shouldn't have been returning true, but what I mean is it did pass through correctly because I didn't see anything. I guess it'd be easier to print this. Okay, so it's not getting far enough to print whatever that is. Unless I have some absurd conditions, like mana or something. No, the mana cost is actually 0 on both of those. Okay, let's just redo all of this. So I'm checking if it's a type of attack. Oh wait, can I? I did not consider that. I can add a tag to you. I can create a custom value that says tag. No, I mean, that would work, but that's basically just adding another thing. I'm going to just assume this works. And in order to verify that, I'm going to true. And this one will be false. Okay, so no, that doesn't work. That's sad, but understandable. So I know I can do something with format. Teleport. There is. Oh wait, no, split. I can split the string. That's right, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so source string. string to search and split, it will search at support or attack. And this, oh. And if it does manage to split it, then it should be good. If it doesn't split it, that means it doesn't have that word in it. Or rather, that's what I thought it would do anyway. What are all the, oh, yeah, all the falses are from this. That's right. Oh, I have ands here. It's false. What does this and do? It checks if it is a type of attack or and the button is the same name. Why do I have this one? Oh, I don't have this one twice. I can 100% combine these, I just don't know how. Nope. I see. Maybe this did work and I couldn't. No, because if it did work, I would have seen it come through. Let's see if I can. Let's have this run before the that also. This one needs to be a different color. Okay, guess I'm keeping this then. If it's this or that. If it is this or that, it will run true. If it's not, it will check if it's support. Nope, that's not what it will do, never mind. Okay, I'm just going to Okay, yep, definitely not going to happen like that. So I need to check each one for the name. And I want to get the one that's equal within the name. And assuming that the name, multiple of them have the same name, I need an AND to check the index. So if that's true, let's check the mana cost again. Less than or equal to. And then if that's true, I can start applying, I can set my mana. What? I didn't know you could overrule them like that. Nope, that's supposed to be current mana. That. What other things do I need to set? The action value. Action attack, max, max, current, modifier, mana. Where did it go wrong? Right here. Oh, I see. I accidentally did this button name, ignore the category. Okay, that should be it. Really? No? Oh, yep, that's supposed to be false. Guess if it is 0, I don't want them to cast it. Okay, that should solve the problem. Okay, there we go. What is this random thing that keeps... What is 84? Is that my... That should... I think that's my current health. If that is, that means it is indeed working. Yep, it is my health. Since it wasn't around 10, a base 10 number, the defense is working. Okay, I cleaned that up. I have no idea why I made it so complicated in the first place. Okay, next is to... What is... Okay, when a buff is applied, I need to play a particle system. Let's add a new variable. Wherever the data is, here it is. This could also help with not only the buff, but the attack. I can have like a swish, swish look or whatever it is. Oh, what are you called? Niagara? Nope, you're not Niagara. Cascade? No. Particle? Oh, particle system, yep, okay. Buff particles. Buff particles. What is this called? Do I not? I don't have particles in you, really? Okay. So I need a way to tell if it's self or target that I should set it on. No, either way. I don't have any debuffs to cast, so that's fine. I can just do it here. Let's move you. No, you need to be at the end of some place, so I need to set another variable. Particle system. Particles. You connect to that, you connect to that. Nope. Okay, you connected. That's great. Attack. Then you selection. Okay, yeah, it can be right here. Probably play particles. Nope. What are your settings called? Template? Set template. That's not correct. I meant to select this one. There we go. Can I get life duration or something? Duration. Span. I should probably do this. Let's make transform. Make, nope. Okay, I guess it doesn't matter. Get location. Rotation shouldn't matter. Auto destroy. That's a long lifespan for the particles. Oh wait, no, maybe I can. I guess this can act as a signifier that the player is buffed. Actually, yeah, I can set that template. And then it should automatically disable after the next attack. That shouldn't have applied immediately. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, that can work. I need to change that damage reduction. Actually, no, that can stay like that. So you complete the block, and now you are blocked until your next turn ends. So if you have a long attack, you can block several times. Huh. That may actually work not terribly. Something's happening. Why am I not taking damage? Oh, nope, I have that set. So it's times the modifier. If it's multiplied by 0.8, that would be 25. That would be a 20% reduction. One would be 0% reduction. Yeah, I need a new modifier value. This will be applied modifier. This will be damage modifier, or receive damage, or damage reduction. Okay. So I need to wait to apply that until after the action has been completed, which would be back here. Set u equal to that. That's not what I meant to do. And there we go. So I should take slash, that's 10 damage. Yeah. Pierce is 20. I'm multiplying it by 0.8, which would give 20%, which would mean it should only be 16% damage. Or not 16%, 16 damage. Yeah, okay, that was accurate. How much damage does Ice Spike do? I think that's 20. So it should bring me to 54. Assuming it's not still applied. That did no damage to me. Well, I found out how to be invincible. Oh, and the menu broke. So why did I turn invincible after the modifier? If this is set to 0 somewhere, that would reset everything. So I need to... Yep. Hopefully if I do that, it will auto-populate to all of these. Yes, it did. Okay, that should solve the problem. So after I do this, it should not set it to 0, but instead to 1, so I get full damage. It should be 16. Yep, that was 16 damage. This one should be the full 20. Yep. Okay, yep. That's great. it's accurately doing the damage. Okay. I don't know what the 4 that kept pumping up was. Let's check the enemy character. Oh, it's probably attack time. That should solve the problem. Okay, I know something else that should probably be added. Some kind of damage number. Widget. Value change. Wid. What would I connect you to? Maybe you. I could connect you to you. Yeah, that would work. So before you do get changed, let's move you back here. Current health minus this. No, let's just toss another value through, I guess. Well, maybe. Yeah, it'd be easier to just toss another value through. Let's go to the interface. View amount lost. Okay. Text change. Amount lost. Okay, then from there we need to go here. Oh, how am I going to... Okay. I can... That's not what I meant to do. I'll just have a, what did I not name you? Oh, I named it value change. I'll just have it appear like right here. This can just be plain text. Where did that should be anchored in the middle. I guess I do need an border for it to work. So let's just remove you. Border. Oh, I didn't have a canvas panel, that's why. I see. Make sure there's a canvas panel. This will just be value. Text. Change. How do I center you? Where's the centered? There it is. That's supposed to be 0.5. There we go. So that's way too large. What's your size font? That's only 10. Why did your justification change? No, it's still there. You're just not centered now. I guess that means it's just too tall. Make sure it's as centered as it can be. I'll say about, I guess it can be 50. That's still too large. Why? Okay, that's better. This will be hill. This one will be mono. Blue. Red. By default, you need to be no, that won't work. It will work if I wrap with a vertical box. This will be health val change home. This will be mana change val home. So then I'll need to spawn widget of class right there. Or create Create widget of val change widget. I did not make you. You need to be able to be a variable. Okay. Change value. Then the amount lost will transfer. Okay, I can just make sure this is the mana one. So I need both the player and other thing to transfer this. I don't even have you implemented yet. Let's go here, class settings. To widget. Change value. What did I name you? Text change. Nope. Get set text. I actually need a format. It'll be minus amount lost. There we go. I was going to do something, but it will be fine. So where is it? Updating the bars. Right here. So current health, max health. Where is this calculated? Mana lost. I place everything in such an inconvenient spot. Set mana lost to it needs to be this minus this absolute value. That should function anyway. Health lost. Okay, where is health calculated at? That's redundant, don't need that. Okay, here health is. So it will just be this inverted with absolute value, or at least I hope it will. Absolute, absolute, and make sure it's always positive. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, it's supposed to be hidden by default. This is also updating way too much. I can't even see it. Let's change your color. So it kept saying 100 over somewhere. Okay, well, the first thing I can do is if this is text, get text text. If this is equal to, really, I can't just do that. I have to, well, toString is, if this is equal to 0, it will just destroy self. Nope. Remove from parent. Delay. I don't know, maybe like 1 second. Also in here, I need it to be here. Let's move you there, then let's move you forward. Color, linear color set, I suppose. This will be blue. I'm not quite sure if this is the correct one, probably not. What's the name of the color? It's just appearance, color, and opacity, so it's probably not the correct one. Yep, it's this one. Let's make it deeper. Okay, right there-ish. Okay, amount lost. I need to make sure you're hooked up. I'm going to get spammed with hundreds again for some reason. I don't know where. It's picking up 100 from. Oh well. Okay, yep, it's spamming me with the hundreds again for some reason. What the heck happened? That ain't right. Oh, I didn't set the target. Oh, let's also flip. I can't have a flip-flop in here, really? Oh, yes, I can. Here it is. Flip-flop. Let's move you down. What is that value that turns it cold? Shear, is it volatile text trap? Okay, yes, it is shear. No, it's angle I want. Okay. So we'll flip-flop from set angle to 10 and -10. 10 and -10. You connect back down. Make sure you are connected to that. Why are you 200? Actually, I can figure that out. There, there. Why do you get spammed with the hundreds? What is wrong with you? Is it you? You don't update the stats, so no, it won't be. It's probably you. Why is the why are you spamming that then? Okay, I'll create a boolean set to true. By default, you should be false. You will be false by default. Hold up, that might not be what I want. I want it right here. That should solve the problem. And the whole thing is crooked now. And that did not solve the problem. Why did you not solve the problem? Or why do you have a problem with the shear, rather? That one wasn't connected. That's probably why. Well, evidently wasn't right here. Somewhere down here. Where did it go? Right here. No, that wasn't it. I can run a check somewhere over here. It kind of works. I'm getting spammed with this though. That's not right. Oh. So it's trying to print a value. So I need to rethink the way No, that one's fine. I'll just do that. So I need to stop the enemy from constantly spamming and trying to attack. Also, while I'm at it, I should also create these. Health lost. Mana lost. And actually in here I can run a check. This check here instead. Not that. What's happening? What is all this? That should be put there. I really wish it would highlight float first, but whatever. So it won't even, hopefully, no, it will probably still show a little bit, but it shouldn't be visible. That should fix some of the problem, but it's still going to spam everything. That didn't help. Null. Let's set you to null or something. Okay, so it's not passing the value. Unless remove from parent is not doing it well. All I can really do is this. Unless every time the battle thing is updated, the numbers try to update also. Okay, so I'm going to just scrap this for now. I'll come back to it later. Okay. Okay, that did remove it, right? Yep, that's fine. Okay. So, what should I do next? I don't need to do variance yet. What have I typed in my doc? I have typed. Why did you not scroll to the bottom? There we go. So the things that I'm behind on are I'm probably going to have to wait for this until a few more days, because if I add them now, I'm just going to have to completely change them. So I guess it would be world design. Text for communication I pretty much already have. So it's design today, tomorrow. Why is durability down here? Oh yeah, this. That's a mess. So I guess world design is. There is levels. Okay. Let's add a landscape. How do I want to do this? What is the size reference for that's not what I meant to do. What is the size reference for this going to be? I am through the ground. What happened? Did I not create it? I did. So why did I spawn through the ground? That's because you are like that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty large. Probably too large, but oh well, I guess it will just be like that. Oop, that's way too high. There we go. Okay. I guess we can start creating a cobblestone texture. Or maybe a grass texture first. For grass texture, I'm going to just open Krita. If it opens, oh, here we go. Let's have a 32 by 32. Is there like a pixel splat brush I can use? Let's first do a plain color. Oh, let's not have it that desaturated. What does this brush look like? It's been ages since I've used Krita. Well, not ages. I used it earlier. Actually, that could make an okay grass texture. Okay. That's not what I meant to do. Make sure it's all pretty much randomly filled, and then it shouldn't be. Okay, that's fine. I can later toss on. That's fine, it's just like a simple grass file export. Grass. Why did I tab out? PNG. Where did my material? There they are. I'll create a new folder. Landscape. Where are you? There you are. Oh, I need to make a material. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's been ages since I've made one for landscape. What is the layer stuff? I completely forgot about this. A layer, because I'm going to paint over it. Is it layer blend AO? Is this what it is? No, this is not. It's been too long since I've done this. Layer. Oh, landscape layer blend. Is this what I want? Maybe. Layer chords, sample, swatch, wait, switch. No, this is not what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Why can I not find it? Why can I... Landscape. Am I delusional? Am I just thinking wrongly? I swear there was... Hold up, will this tell me? Landscape? No, that only tells me the material. Can I... Is this paint? Yes, this is paint mode. I thought you could add a bunch of... I thought you could add a bunch of layers. Did I just hallucinate that? Or is that like specifically Unreal Engine 5? Roach software? Sure, whatever. Do I have two text boxes overlaid or something? What's happening? I do have two text boxes overlaid. I wonder why that is. Okay. Problem solved. Layer. Was it overlay? Blend over... No, it's not blend overlay. Where did this come from? Maybe it was always there and I just didn't notice it. Hold on, I need to. Before landscape paint. What is the material node called? Landscape layers node. That's not what I meant to do. Landscape. Sample. Color your landscape. You need to sample landscape. Yes, I'm aware. Landscape material. Really? Is this... No, I'm missing some gap or something. Layer blend. Oh, okay. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All thanks to this random... Oh, can I pull it out? And this random picture right here. It's all thanks to this. So this first layer will be grass. I only have one layer, so that will be the only layer. Image. Nope, not image, it's texture. texture sample. And now it's going to be a tiling mess, but why are you black? No, I don't need to do any of that now. Let's apply you. Apply you. Textures. How do I paint the layers? Paint color. No, that's not what I want. Where is the... Why do I have that random window open? Oh, I'm missing something again. What is it? Per component? No. What else am I missing? No, there's nothing else down there. Maybe I have to have multiple. Where'd my mouse go? Oh, it's down there, it's frozen. Okay. I guess I can use this one as the temporary cobblestone. Even though this one's even worse than the grass. That's not the correct one. I'll just create a new landscape. I forgot to set the material. Again. Is there... No, there isn't paint options. Where are the paint? Oh, here the paint layers are. Okay. You have no layer info. That's right. Sure. Okay, yeah, you can go there. Come on, engine. Engine, hello? Ah. Okay. Wow, that's a lot more worse than I thought. Oh my. For reference, what is this? What size is this? What does this look like? Okay. I can probably just toss one of the random grass maps to give it some... That's not what I meant to do. Where is it? Here it is. I'll just also randomly toss this as roughness, specular. There we go, problem solved. Oh, that's even worse. I mean, not that much worse. It's not great, but roughness. What? Come on, there we go, constant. This will be like a 0.6. Very rough. One. This will be like a 0.2, I guess. Come on. 0.2. 0.2. Okay, that's a little bit better. That's still blinding though, holy. Let's change the sky up a little bit. Oh, let's get post-processing to eliminate that glare. Or not eliminate it, but at least lower it a lot. Exposure. Manual exposure. Other exposure basic. No, manual. Then, oh, yeah, I guess that works. And blur. That's not what I'm meant to do. Blur. Do I not have blur? Is it glare? No. Oh, bloom. That's what it is. That's right. What did that change something? Let's threshold. None of this is quite what I'm going for. Unless I do here and change it here. No, I can't. Well, there's going to be a giant sun. That's just blaring there. What color do I want to go with? Maybe like a orangish. Maybe, I guess a very pale pinkish. Very pale. Cloud color. The cloud can take on. Ugh. Yeah, they will just be pure white. Overall color, let's. Yeah, overall color can stay white. Not the best looking thing, but will work. I need to change that movement speed. I also need to add a sprint button. But what would sprint be? Does sprint even work when it's in the window? Editor preferences. That's not correct, unless it is. No, it's not. Project. I guess I can change this later if there's some conflict with the browser. Left shift. Oh, it's also had a pause button. Let's make it like P or something. P for pause. Okay. What was I doing? Back. Back, there we go. Player. Sprint. Did I make it the wrong way? Oh, yeah, I did. There we go. There we go. What is the current movement? I need to slow it down, whatever it is, just slightly. 400. Oh, my mouse froze. Set movement. Set. Next walk speed. I'll double it, so 800. And then when it's released, it can go back to 400. Yeah, I guess that can work. I need to do something about that sun. If I change the direction it's coming from, will that change the glare? Where's this? There it is. It will. Let's get it straight down. There we go. That's a lot better. Oh, okay. So then that tiled. I really need to make a better cobblestone. I'm not sure how I would make cobblestone tileable though. I guess I can just add a plane, shift A, add a camera, Probably, what was it, 32 by 32, is that why I made it? Make sure it's orthographic. Oh. Size this up to match. So I could place a bunch of rocks, make this a normal map, and then maybe a light map also. Oh, yeah, I guess I need a super extreme light here also. Why am I unable to change? Oh, that. So I'll start with like tiny oblong pebbles. I could probably do a geometry node and get it a lot better, but that might be more, not quite complex, but it might be harder to get it to tile in a way I want it to be. This is going to be very annoying. I need to do this in a better way. If I place you on the corner, maybe if I work outside in, it might be a little bit more easy. I have to keep these pretty much the same, so I'll combine those. That's right, UV sphere. Forgot what I was doing for a moment. And then I'll kind of make some that are oblong, but I need to make sure they cross over these edges evenly. Okay, I might be able to actually make this work somehow. It's nonsensical, but there's at least a little bit of a method to it. What would happen if I were to... That's not what I meant to do. U. Come on, U. There we go. What would happen if I were to just tile this up after I apply materials, because that's what I have to do, I guess. That's probably a little too light, but how would this... Okay. Let's add a plane over here so I can see it actually tile on a plane. Why are you? Don't know why you turned... I must have inverted you somehow. Oh, yep, okay. What? Why can I not type image? Oh, there we go. That's not what I want to do. Render result. And then the UV editing. A, S, nope. Where are your UVs? Did I not click? I did. Are you not unwrapped or something? What's happening? Okay, it doesn't like the image. Do you like it only because it's render result? I guess I'll save you as untitled PNG if it will load. Okay, you can just stay untitled and then you will be open. Where there is. Okay, there we go. That's not. There we go. That's what I wanted. A, S. Why do you like not have UVs? What's happening? What? Okay, guess I'm going to delete you and add a cube or something. Okay. Tile. That's not great. Oh, here they are. Okay. I need that tiling to be way bigger. Okay, that works. I can see the tiling. I almost want to just do a random particle or random geometry nodes to spawn this. But I feel like I probably shouldn't. I need like littler stones. That's not all I want to do. I could probably make all of these way bigger. Because I don't think a pixel is going to detect detail like this. G, Y. God, this looks terrible. This is going to be very obviously tiled. I suppose that will be fine though. It's not like I'm known for great seeing or something like that. I need to change some of these textures. You will be a darker gray. That's not right. What did I just do? Oh, I had the plane selected, that's why. The plane should be the darkest. I need it way darker. And then I need these ones to be darker. I guess that will be fine. I absolutely hate that. But that's going to be our new... This is our new cobblestone texture. Okay. It didn't refresh the tile. That's nice. Shading. Okay, not as terrible as I thought, but still kind of terrible. Let's go into this and change the texture. Oh, I need to import. That's right. Import untitled number 2 or 1. I don't even remember what it was called and I just looked at it. I mean, it kind of fits right in with the grass. So, what is that? Oh, that's the landscape. Landscape 2. Do I have another landscape spawned at the same time? Or is it? Okay. No, it doesn't seem like it. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Let's make this smaller. Let's not. Where's the coordinate? There it is. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And maybe even smaller. That's too small. Well, I think I liked it back to the original way. Random big jagged rocks you can fall on and get like your kneecap crushed with. There we go. At this point, I'm doing this purely for amusement. Let's add some type of color multiple. Let's make it very, if I do it all the way white, does that whitewash it all? No, it doesn't. Okay. Though if I add color to it, I imagine it's going to get a little intensive. Let's make it... What color are rocks? Yellowish, I suppose. Maybe brownish. Okay, okay, yeah, that kind of works. Got some strange rocks for the strange everything else that's happening. Okay, well, everyone, I'm actually going to end this one here. I will be streaming again tomorrow because I have nothing better to do.